In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam checkout not loading or not working. If your cart refuses to process or the checkout page spins forever. Follow along as we move from the most common fix to a few reliable cleanups that refresh the Steam client and store. First, disable Family View. Family View is designed to lock purchases and mature content behind a pin. And it's a major reason checkouts silently fail. Open Steam and head into your account settings to find Family View. Temporarily turn it off so purchases aren't restricted. You can re-enable it later when you are done. Next, clear Steam's cache from inside the app. Go to Settings. Open the Downloads section and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that can corrupt the store interface, and it also forces Steam to refresh your session. After this, you may be prompted to sign in again, which is normal. If the desktop client still won't complete the purchase, don't fight it. Log into your account on the official Steam website in a browser. Or use the Steam mobile app and finish the transaction there. Anything you buy on the web or phone appears in your library the moment the client syncs. Now let's clean up one specific folder that often causes display and checkout issues. Fully close Steam, then open its installation folder. By default, that's usually on your main C drive under Program Files, x86 in the Steam folder inside. Locate the folder named App Cache and delete it. This folder only stores temporary manifests and will be rebuilt automatically when Steam starts again. So removing it is safe and frequently resolves stuck store pages. Before relaunching, make sure Steam is truly closed. Exit the app from the system tray so no background processes are left running, restart your computer, and then sign back in. A fresh boot clears any lingering locks or web components that can block checkout. Finally, give Steam the permissions it sometimes needs during purchase and update flows. Right. Click your Steam desktop icon, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Then start Steam normally. Work through these fixes in order, and your checkout should load and process without hanging. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.